Well, ST7 is really about allowing you to reimagine what's possible. So, for example, being able to accelerate your design process, streamline your document management, or power up with some new apps. There's a lot of new apps built around Solid Edge. And then finally, we really want to bring in that amazing user experience. So we've spent a lot of time on the core of Solid Edge, the things that people use daily, and really trying to make that better and a better and engaging user experience for you. The new rendering capabilities in Solid Edge ST7 are outstanding. We're really excited that we've partnered with Luxion, who produces the KeyShot product. KeyShot now is built in as a standard part of Solid Edge, and so people can really just get one-click rendering with Solid Edge and KeyShot now. We've also put in place a new 3D sketching capability where you can sketch lines, arcs, fillets, circles, all in a three-dimensional environment. And this is really productive when you have maybe a wire that's bent in a couple different directions. It's really kind of hard to do in a 2D way, and so we have a full 3D sketching environment now that a lot of our users are really enjoying. With Solid Edge for SharePoint, we've really tried to focus on making it easy to use, easy to implement, and very visual. We've spent a lot of time in workflows, and so being able to ad hoc say who a workflow flows to, being able to design those workflows, better workflows right out of the box so the user can take advantage of them immediately, are all part of Solid Edge ST7. One of the things we've added in Solid Edge is a bit of a partnership with Microsoft, if you will, where we're going to, from Solid Edge, directly print to the Microsoft 3D Builder app. The 3D Builder app allows you to scale and reorient and so on to put your model directly into an additive manufacturing process. We've been working with Microsoft quite a bit, and one of the things that we're very excited about is the Surface Pro. So the Surface Pro is kind of like a workstation you can take with you. And we found that both you can take it with you, run Solid Edge directly on it, and use the finger gestures and such and the pen together, as well as we find you can actually plug it in and use it as your day-to-day workstation as well, and it works really well for both things. So we have quite a few partners in the area of the collaboration space. There's a lot of interest in people being able to work with each other remotely and kind of share visualization. And so with GrabCAD, we see a great opportunity there and the ability to integrate tightly with Solid Edge, whether you're uploading files to GrabCAD or bringing them back down to Solid Edge, and being able to work with others in a collaborative mode. It works really well. We have a lot of people coming to Solid Edge from other systems. They see synchronous technology, they say, hey, this is how I want to work, and so they're coming over to Solid Edge. But we want to make sure it's really easy for them to learn those concepts. So we have things, for example, instead of just a tooltip, we have the tooltip will actually pull down with some information about how to use a particular command, or even a video if it's a more complicated concept. Well, we really want to allow people to unleash their creative potential and really reimagine what's possible. And so that's more than just the software and how it works. We spent a lot of time on that, but it's also the ability to access the software more easily, perhaps through a subscription basis, or to work with people in the community and ask questions and get instant responses across the web. But then also within the product itself, we've spent quite a lot of time on the basic things that people do every day. How the sketching is done, how measurement is done, just how the product looks and feels has really improved quite a bit in ST7, and we think people will really enjoy it. ST7 delivers fast and flexible modeling, streamlined document management. We have a lot of new apps to help you power up, as well as it delivers an amazing user experience, which our goal is to help empower you to reimagine what's possible with Solid Edge.